A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our computer class. So, students, in our today's class, we are going to start a new lesson that is called Writing Logo Procedure, right? And the topic which we are going to learn is concept of logo procedure. So, children, in class 4, already you have learned about logo. Yes or no? Introduction of logo. So, what is logo? Logo is a computer programming language. Clear? Full form of logo? Logic oriented, graphic oriented. Now here we are going to learn about the procedure. Okay, concept of logo procedure. Clear, children? Learning outcome. At the end of this class, children, you will be able to understand the concept of logo. Right? And also its procedure. Clear? New words. In this topic, in our today's topic, you will be getting the new words logo, procedure, turtle, commands, task. So logo is what? Logo is a computer programming language. Yes. Procedure refers to the method of doing a particular task. Turtle, it's an imaginary pen that is given drawing commands and logo screen. Then commands. We give commands to turtle. What are the commands? FD, RT, LT. FD, forward, RT, right, BK, back, LT, left. Whatever we give commands, turtle follow its commands and draw the figure in logo screen. Right? Task. Task is what? Work. Okay? Meaning of logo. So logo is a what? Logo is a simple computer programming language which can be used to control devices. Logo is often used with a screen turtle, which is an object on the screen used to simulate how a turtle moves around the floor. Okay, so logo is what, children? Logo is a simple computer programming language which can be used to control what? Devices. Okay, already you have learned about logo, logic oriented, graphic oriented. It's a computer programming language. Simple computer programming language. Right, children? About logo procedure. Our topic is about logo procedure. All we know how to give commands. Input box. Main screen commander window. We have an input box. There we write what? We give commands. Yes. Then we press enter key. Whatever commands we give, turtle draw the figure in the logo screen. Got it? Now here what we are going to learn about logo procedure. So first we should know the word procedure. The word procedure refers to a list of the steps involved in doing a particular task, particular work. Okay? A logo procedure is a way to make the turtle remember a set of commands. A procedure has a name that is saved in the computer's memory. Okay, once saved, the procedure can be used repeatedly. That means we don't have to type again and again the commands. Alright, so the procedure refers what? Refers to a list of the steps involved in doing a particular task. So logo procedure is a way to make the turtle remember. Turtle remember a set of commands. One time only we'll give turtle remember the set of commands. Okay, so suppose how to draw a triangle in logo. What do we do? In order to draw a triangle, what do we do? We'll have to give the following commands to the turtle. FD 120, RT 120. So how many times we have to write these commands? FD 120, RT 120. FD means forward 120, right 120. When we write these commands 3 times, turtle will draw what? A triangle shape. Alright. Yes. So these are the commands we give. We have to give 3 times. Because a triangle has 3 sides. Alright. A triangle is a shape that can be used again and again to make other shapes in pictures. So we might want to be able to recall these commands without typing again and again. Okay. So we might want to be able to recall these commands without typing the whole commands out. To do this, we could create a procedure called triangle. Okay, so to do this, what we have to do? We could create a procedure in logo that is called triangle. Okay, children, instead of writing FD120, RT120 3 times, then we have at last we have to press what? Enter key. According to these commands, turtle draw the triangle shape. Now the procedure, parts of a procedure. So already we know procedure is what? Refers to the method of doing a particular task. Parts of a procedure. Procedure has 3 parts in logo. Title line, set of instructions, end line. So what is title line? The name of the procedure can include letters, ABCD, numbers or symbols. However, the beginning of the title must always be an alphabet. When we write, the beginning of the title must always be an alphabet. Okay, there should be no blank spaces. You cannot give blank spaces. Right? Arithmetic operators cannot be used. That means the plus minus you cannot use. Right? This is the first one, the title line. This is the parts of a procedure. If question comes, what are the parts of a procedure? Title line, set of instruction, end line. Next, set of instruction. This set of instruction contains what? Actual set of commands. Alright. Commands for what? Commands for drawing a figure. Got it? End line. After writing the commands, now the ending one. That means your figure is completed. End line. It contains the end command. Yes, which marks the end of the procedure. That means suppose you want to draw a triangle. How will you write? How will you do in a procedure? So you will write the name of the triangle there. Right? Then set in the second number point you have to give the commands at the last. When your triangle appear in logo screen, that means your shape is finished. Alright? Your task is finished. End line, that means the finishing part. It contains the end command which marks the end of the procedure. That means your procedure for drawing a triangle is finished. Okay, children? So, this is the introductory part of a procedure. Writing procedure. Okay, writing a procedure. Got it, children? So, today I have only given the introduction of logo procedure. Then, along with that, meaning of procedure, then the parts of a procedure. Because in class 3 already you have learned about logo. Alright, the introduction of logo. That it is a computer programming language. It has 2 main parts. Okay, in logo screen, turtle is there. Then commands are there. These things you have learned. Alright, how to draw figures in logo screen with the help of commands and all. The following commands are there: RD, FD, BK. These are the commands already you have learned. Now here in this lesson, in lesson number 8, what you are going to learn first. Today already I have explained the concept of logo procedure. Yes. Now we know the meaning of procedure. Along with that, the parts of a procedure. Okay, just an introduction I have given. Parts of a procedure. In the next class, what we are going to learn? How to create a new logo procedure. Okay, certain steps are there. I'll explain it to you. How to create a new logo procedure. After that, how to save and load procedure. At last, how to edit and delete procedures. So these are the things we are going to learn in lesson 8. Alright. So now you know parts of a procedure. That's just a concept of logo. Then the procedure. Then parts of a procedure. So whatever I have explained in today's class, children kindly go through it. Right? This is your chapter number 8, page number 64 and 65. Right? Kindly go through it. And the next class with the new topic, I'll continue this lesson. Clear, children? Thank you.